My name is Gerald Fiterstein. I live in Brownsville, New York. That's in Long Island. Okay, here we go. When I was a kid in Brownsville, Brooklyn, there were 3 shuls on my block, for starters, and we lived right across the street from an elementary school. From 100 feet across the street was the elementary school. And when I was a kid, the schools were open on Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur, so that I thought that all Gentiles were black, because Brownsville was 90% Jewish and 10% black. And the only people in the school on Jewish holidays were black kids. So that was my first memory of Gentiles. They were all black, which is really interesting when you think about it, the mistakes that you make when you're a kid.